A gentle reminder before starting this. I want you to know that all these videos will contain a complete module within less than 10 minutes, which will cover all the following details of the Vedic Maths. Okay, can we start? Yes, so our first module begin with a line, one more than one before. What does this mean? As we all know, 10 is a number which can complete any following number. If I say from 0 to 10, right? 10 हर number को complete करता है. For example, if we say 8 plus 2, it will give us 10. So इससे हमें क्या lesson मिला that in Vedic Maths or in any kind of mathematical problems which we are doing, we only have to focus on the numbers which will make it as 10. Only 10, because 10 से हमारा easy हो जाता है. I hope you got this thing very clear. हाँ, shall I repeat this again? We only have to complete the circle. We don't have to look into this 10. The main focus is जो last की डिजिट होती है, अगर वो ज़ीरो है तो हमारे लिए कैलकुलेशन करना ईजी हो जाता है, राइट? इफ़ आई टेल यू 10 plus 30, you will quickly say it will make it 40. But if I say calculate 10 plus 15, still it will make it easy. But if I say 15 plus 12, it will make little hard, right? That was the essence of this first module. कि suppose अगर कोई भी number है, let's take 25 plus 50, it would give us 75, right? So यही essence है कि हमें last के 0 पे focus करना है. 10 is just an example.